People with children are facing unique challenges during this pandemic, and a local survey is working to find out how they're handling it. The Family Strengths Survey started in April as a way to get quick research, but quickly evolved into an ongoing project. Nicole Ford explains what the results are showing. Nicole.
Well, Christine, the survey takes just about 6 minutes to complete. UPMC doctors tell me the main idea behind it is to check in with families and see how they're handling these life changes each week.
2020 is a year of impact. From unemployment to school closings, families are still adjusting months after the pandemic began.
We wouldn't really know what was going on with families unless we asked them, especially the more people were staying inside their house. We needed to be able to connect with them and know what was going on.
Dr. Kristen Ray is one of the UPMC doctors at Children's Hospital spearheading the Family Strengths Survey.
Even though we've moved through different phases of the pandemic and are in green now, there's still a lot of needs that families are facing as we're adjusting with kind of all of the changes from financial to employment to just what does the world look like right now.
Every Friday since the beginning of April, a new survey comes online. While each week it's different, the primary focus is on the impact to children.
Do you feel like you're able to help your kids, be fed, to learn, to have fun, kind of the full range of things that we know kids need. So asking all of those, asking what resources families need more of in a given week.
Dr. Ray tells me the survey is a partnership with the county health department, and the goal wasn't to just collect the data and sit on it. Rather, each week, the research is published online with contact information for services that surveyors say is needed.
Only about 40% of families felt like they were completely able to support their kids in being socially and emotionally and mentally well adjusted and staying connected with community. And only a quarter of parents felt like they were completely able to help themselves.
Heading into week 15, participation can range from 300 to 3,000 per week. Dr. Ray says as long as there is still a need expressed in the results, the research will still continue.
Families are dealing with a lot of change and a lot of questions, and it's okay to not feel okay sometimes, but there are lots of resources out there.
Now, the new survey will be published tomorrow. You can take it online or by phone. All of your answers will remain anonymous, and last week's results will be published online as well when that new survey goes live. We're live in Point State Park tonight. Nicole Ford, KDKA News.